this is Study with Mo. So today we'll be doing Maths B, May, June 2025, Paper 1, question number 22. Solve the simultaneous equation 3x square minus 10 by 3x plus 3 equals to 2y, 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Show clear algebraic working. Okay, let's write the equation first. 3x square minus 10x by 3 plus 3 equals to 2y. That's 9x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 2y. Now 2x plus 3y, writing the other equation, equals to 4. Equation 1. Sorry, let's not make it equation 1. We need to simplify. Let's make y the subject. 4 minus 2x by 3. Let's make this one equation 1. Okay, putting the value of equation 1 into 2. Now let's consider this equation 2. Okay, so 9x square minus 10x plus 9 by 3 equals to 2. Now we will put the value of y here. 4 minus 2x by 3. And here we have 9x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 8 minus 4x. Let's cancel out the 3's. 9x square minus 6x minus 10x positive 4x is minus 6x plus 9 minus 8 is 1 equals to 0. Let's do the middle term. So 3x minus 3x, sorry, 9x minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Let's take 3x common. 3x minus 1 minus 1. 3x minus 1 again equals to 0. So 3x minus 1 is common here, and then again we have another 3x minus 1. Let's give the implies that sign, equals to 0. Okay, so x is equals to positive 1 by 3. Now let's find the value of y, putting the value of x equals to 1 by 3 into equation 1. Y is equals to 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 3 equation 3 equals to 4 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. It's 12 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Let's simply put it like 10 by 9. Now x is equals to 1 by 3 and y is equals to 10 by 9. Let's write the answer. X is equals to 1 by 3 and y is equals to 10 by 9. We are done with number 22.